Welcome to this video on 9,000-year-old engineering. We will embark on a scientific and historical journey into the making of mud bricks, which are approximately 25 centimeters long, 12 centimeters wide, and 7 centimeters high. Mud bricks are one of history's most durable building materials, dating back 9,000 years. They are strong, can withstand heavy loads and pressure, and are resistant to water, humidity, and fire, retaining their integrity even in intense heat. To make mud bricks, you will need a field kit. This includes a trowel, a bucket, an ice cube tray for a mold, water, dry grass or straw, and some heavy, compact clay soil for digging. The first step is finding the right soil. We need to dig past the topsoil, which is about 20% of the depth, until we reach the clay layer, which accounts for 80%. We must continue digging until the soil color changes, as the heavy, sticky clay soil is our target. Stage 1. Digging and mixing. Combine the clay soil, a handful of straw or dry grass, and the required amount of water to create a thick mortar. Be careful to mix the mortar well with the trowel, ensuring there are no lumps of soil or stones. Stage 2. Molding and drying. Fill the mold with the mortar and press it down to remove any air bubbles. Initial drying involves leaving the trays in a bright, dry place for a few days. Finally, remove the bricks from the tray and allow them to dry for a few more hours in the sun. Stage 3. Quality assurance and analysis. Use the checklist to confirm quality. Check the external surface for smoothness, the strength to ensure it's not crumbling, and perform an impact test by dropping it forcefully on the ground. Finally, assess if the bricks can be joined for construction. The importance of straw, a scientific comparison. Clay soil hardens when it dries but cracks and crumbles without straw. Straw provides internal strength to the brick and prevents it from cracking. The secret to internal structure is the distribution of force. Clay particles form a strong base. The straw acts as a web, distributing the force applied to the brick throughout its structure, making the brick much stronger. The composite material, modern science of ancient man. When you combine two weak materials, clay and straw, to create a new, strong material, it's called a composite material. 9,000 years ago, architects were already playing with soil, proving they were the first material engineers. You have now replicated the same science with your own hands.